My laptop sound is not working. Here is how you can fix it. Suddenly your laptop speaker or sound stop working, and this has been a major concern for you and you're thinking of taking it to technician for repair. Let's try this issue before taking your laptop to any technician. The first thing you have to know is that check the keyboard of your system if there's any button to disable the sound option. Like my own now, there's a button here that if you tap on it, it disable and enable this sound. So if your own is enable, then the sound on your system will not function. So we'll take a look at this button here. Once the step comes out, but once you enable that button, it goes off like this. So check that one. That is the first thing you have to do. If there's a physical button you can use to check the sound of your computer. The next thing you have to do is to come to this sidebar where you see the speaker button. Right click on it. Once you click on it, click on this one that says open volumizer. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. Now here, make sure that the volume is enabled and disabled. If the volume is at 0, make sure you drag it to somewhere like this so that the volume will comes out whenever you speak. Then come to this output device. You can see, click on it. Make sure that the output device is working very well. Then the next thing you have to do is still in the same place. Right click on it again. Then click on this one that says sound settings. Once you click on sound settings, possibly it takes you to this place. So make sure that you are under speakers. We have 2 speakers here. Make sure that the speaker you are attached to is working. So this my speaker is working, and if yours is not like that, just click on this speaker. You should be able to see speakers here and the speaker should work. Then scroll down again and see some of these settings that might cause your device not working. Here you see that all devices, that is turn device on and off. So click on this button to see if these speakers are off here. So you can take your time and do something, setting here, turn it and turn it off. So try some of these things here and see if the speakers are working very fine. Now that I've done this and my speaker is working very fine, the next thing you have to do is to come to this place again, right click on it and click on troubleshooting or troubleshoot sound problem. This process or method allow your PC to search the online section, to scan your device online and possibly fix any issue that is related to your sounding system on your computer. And this take a little while depending on the kind of device you are using. So you can see that it says troubleshooting auto problem in window. Yes, you can see, you can take your time and read through this and fix this issue on your device. Now that I've done this and it's still not working, the next thing you have to do is to be sure that your device is running on the latest version of the iOS. That is, you need to update your device. Come to the start button here, right click on it, then click on settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, this side click on Windows Update. Once you click on Windows Update, then click on the button that says download and install. So if there's any software here, then you need to download and install this. So this might help you fix up any option or anything that might cause your device not to speak very well. So just check it and make sure that your device is running on the latest version. Then the last but not the least process in this method is to access the task, to access the device manager on your computer. So here, click on this place, type in device manager. Here, device manager. Once tap on device manager, you have yourself at this place. Now come to this side that says sound, video and game controllers. So open it by clicking on this small arrow. Now you have different sound here. You have Intel display, so you have to take your time and do what? update these apps or these drivers. The first one, let me start with this one. Click, then right click on it, click on update drivers, then scan now. Once you scan now, the best driver for a device is already installed. That is great. Yet you've done it and it's not working. Right click on it, then disable this one. Click on yes. Once you disable it, then it will be taken away from this place. Don't worry. Now it has, you can see that now right click again, then enable it. So by doing this might help you to fix this issue. Now that I've done that, then come back to this place again, uninstall this. Make sure that this button is not checked, please. Leave it blank, uninstall it. Once you uninstall this, then this will take away that drivers from here. Then come back to this action, scan for hardware change. Then this will scan for hardware change and it brings back the driver I've just deleted from this place. You can see that. So if there's any issue here now, this particular process will help you fix this issue. Now that I've done that, you need to repeat this process for other external device here, like the iPhone of a 10. Then try and do the same process and fix this issue. So once you have been able to fix this issue and yet it's not working, don't forget that you need to restart your computer once you complete this process so that it works. And if it does not work, then the last option is to head over to any browser of your choice. So come over and download the drivers. For example, I'm using HP, that is HP laptop, so I will use HP drivers like this. Click on it, then click on this button. Once you click on this button, just wait a few seconds, then come back to this place, click on laptop. Once you click on laptop, then come back to this place, search your laptop, provide your laptop serial number here, then search for the driver and install the driver. This might possibly fix the issue on your device. So if you're unable to fix the issue of your speaker not working or sound not working on your device, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and let me know in the comment section so that this will help us. Let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question about your PC, just ask us in the comment section. That's all guys. See you soon on our next video.